you know what? I used to have real problems drawing glass. I mean, there's nothing there to draw, is there? Glass is completely see-through. But then I discovered a few tricks. Try this. For flat glass, just draw 2 lightly drawn lines in each corner of the glass. And there you have a flat sheet of glass. And what about rounded glass? OK, take something like this light bulb. Try this trick. If you just draw a little window shape on one top edge like that, and then 2 little teardrop shapes down the other edge, there you have round glass. It's as simple as that. Well, let's try it in a cartoon then. Here we go. Here he is, Freddy the fish, swimming around in his glass bowl. Now, glass bowls are round, so let's draw the little window shape in there and 2 little teardrop shapes down the other side. There we are, nice round glass. And Freddy's bowl is next to a mirror, and that's got flat glass in it, so 2 lightly drawn lines in each corner, like that. And he swims around all day blowing bubbles. Now, bubbles are a bit like glass, round glass. So let's put the little window shape in up there, and maybe 1 teardrop there, and a window shape there. And if it's small, just a little teardrop in there. And he got very bored. He fancied a change of scene. He started to imagine himself in all sorts of places. What about a nice big tank with flat glass in the sides, 2 lightly drawn lines in each corner, on each sheet of glass. And there he is, swimming up and down. Now, that's boring. What about a nice big tall bottle, he thought, so I can dive up and down all day. Now, bottles have round glass, so there we have a little window at the top and our 2 little teardrops down there. Now, I need something classier, he thought. What about a nice champagne glass? Now, champagne glasses are also round, so let's put the little window shape in there and 2 little teardrops the other side, giving it a nice round effect. And what about the bottom of the glass? Again, that's nicely rounded, so a window in there. Now, it's not really a window, it's just a reflection. You just put 1 teardrop in there, I think. He fancied something more exciting. What about a spaceman's helmet? Now, that's a round glass bowl. So again, I'm just putting a little window shape there and 2 tiny teardrop shapes to give it that lovely rounded effect. Now, he got fed up with that game. I think I'll stay put, thought Freddy. I'll stay in me nice round glass bowl. So there's the window in there, and there's the 2 teardrop shapes down there. But he did manage to get a change of scene. He just moved himself next to the window. Flat glass coming up, 2 lightly drawn lines there, and there, and there, and there. Try it yourself. Cartoon glass, just 2 lightly drawn lines for flat glass, and a little window shape, and 2 teardrop shapes for round glass.
Now that is a really useful tip. Just remember to do 2 lightly drawn lines for flat glass and a window shape with 2 teardrop shapes for round glass. Hey, do you want to see my glass? I broke it!